Imagine running a business in just 2 hours a day while you're still having time to attend school events, cook dinner, and just be present with your kids. That used to sound impossible to me. I remember working long shift, always tired. My kids used to spend more time at daycares and with teachers. Because I'm a mom of 3 kids. I thought being a mom meant sacrifice, missing out on life while working for a salary that disappears in days after you get paid. But when I lost my job back in 2023, I asked myself, what if there's a better way? And that's when I discovered a 2 hours automated system. That was not a dream, but was a done for you system that showed me how to work smarter and not harder, build an income online in just 2 hours a day, promote digital product that I didn't have to create, and make 100% profit with no monthly expenses, while I learned skills on how to attract daily paying customers and build a life where you are finally feel free. All of that while being part of a supportive community with daily mentorship and a step-by-step support. If you want to stop missing out on your own life, if you want to build an income and be a present mom, then this is for you. And all you have to do is drop ready in the comment, and I'll send you the same system that actually worked for me, and I know it will work for you if you are coachable.